Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yet another video. To basically what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be upgrading the SSD M.2 hard drive on this laptop. So the laptop we have is a HP Elitebook 835 G7, which is running AMD processor. So the first thing what we need to do is we need to remove the back cover, and then obviously we'll remove the SSD and put the new one in. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to just open up the back cover. One good thing about these laptops, you don't have to worry about the screws, because they actually don't come, they actually stay with the cover. So it's good that you are not gonna lose any of the screws. So the screws that you do need, the screwdriver that you do need is just like a normal screwdriver. What you need to do is, because it is secured at the bottom from the tabs, what you need to do is you need to lift it up from the top and then gently remove the cover. Okay, I don't think this one is opened up, so we're just gonna let it loose from there. Okay. Does seem that it's open. Okay. Yeah, like I said here, just try to make sure that maybe you pull it up slightly. There we go. That's off. So to access the SSD lives in there. It is covered with protection here. So what you need to do is there's a tab there. I can see that my one has been stuck together, so we'll have to take the complete unit off, or what I can do is if I can see if I can lift it up from here. But before we do that, what we need to do is to remove the power, just to be on the safe side that there's no damage to the PC itself. So that's where the power connector is. What we'll need to do is we just need to get a flat blade and gently take this connector off. Just to disconnect the battery. So that should disconnect the battery. Yeah, there is no other connection for the battery. So yeah, so that removing this will disconnect the battery. Oh yeah, actually it does say that the battery is there. So we'll remove the battery for now. What we need to do is we'll just need to gently lift this up. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I can actually just lift this up. That's where the SSD lives. Now to upgrade the SSD, there is a screw here which is securing the SSD down. So what we're going to do is we're just going to gently remove that screw, and out comes the SSD. Just let me remove that. At the moment, we've got a 240 GB SSD, M.2 2280. This is what is in there, so you can have a closer look. All right. So just for the purpose of the video, what I'm going to do is basically just put the same hard disk back, but obviously if you're going to be upgrading, you're going to be putting a new SSD in, but I will assume that this is the actual new SSD. So we'll just gently pop that in there, press it down from the top and make sure that it sits in there correctly, and you will be able to see here that if you've actually pushed the SSD in correctly. Just grab the screw and we'll just put all right, well, the SSD is in, it's all secure. What we now need to do is pop the cover, protective cover, back on. You will be able to see that there is a line where actually it needs to go into. Just make sure that we line it correctly and it goes in. There we go, and yeah, you'll be able to see it click into place. It's all good. Now what we need to do is connect the battery back up again. And just push the connector in. The connector is in, and the back cover is the reverse of how we removed it. So in goes the bottom first, that's it. Once the screws are in, we have actually completed the upgrade. Awesome. Hopefully this is helpful for you. If it is, please do like this video and subscribe and share. We will be doing a gaming PC build soon, about a budget gaming PC, and I'm planning to actually, hopefully, if we do well on the channel, give it away to one of you guys, basically. So I would suggest like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.